All right, so we got this washing machine, a Whirlpool. This is what it looks like. So we already took off the caps and everything over here. But the issue is when it spins, you can hear this noise. So we're gonna try to take this agitator out and see if there's something underneath here. See what's going on. Damn wire.
No, this feels like a handle from a.
This side don't have it. It's stuck. It's coming out of right there. Look at it. Boom. Can you bring it towards us, or we have to bring it towards you?
It's kind of like a.
Damn. Is there another piece?
Incredible, man.
Is there another piece?
We basically took this whole shit off of this.
So we took this cap out here.
Wow.
Now spin it. Let's see if we hear it. Damn it, boy.
But damn, man, all this for this?
What was it, Lucy?
This is bra?
A bra strap?
Wire, maybe?
Yeah. Damn.
Wow.
All right. All that.
Woo.
All right, so
Yeah,
we took that lid off just to expose here, and we got you're holding it? You're holding it? Right here, right on top, Patrick.
Oh.
So now we spin it. Cool. Man, and we're gonna take off the thing on the bottom too. Good thing we did it. All right, a fun one. Now we gotta put everything back.
Wow, that's crazy.
So if this ever happens where you got the bra wire thing or any metal where you're hearing it, see, now we got everything back. So I would say just take like a knife. Got the Milwaukee Fastback. Here, hold this, Patrick. So just come, let's see. All right, so you want to take this top rim off. I would say come right here. There's gonna be plastic ones all the way around. See, like there's another one right over here.
I guess there's like little slits.
See? So just get the knife, go under here,
Pop it.
and just pop it up. And then obviously just be careful you don't break this thing off. So yeah, now we're just gonna put the agitator. We're gonna put the agitator back on. I would say hold the screw in there, like that. Try to line it up in its grooves, right there where it locks in, and then just start tightening it. So it's tight, and then the one we're using is a 7/16. So then you want to test it out. There you go. See, no more noise or nothing. Now it's running smoothly. So we're gonna put this cover back on, and then put that back on like that, and then we're gonna flip it underneath and put all these doors, put all this stuff back. So yeah, fun. All right, y'all, and this is this Whirlpool right here. We'll put the cover back on too, but we'll do this first. Peace, stay safe, God bless.